Today I am reviewing this galvanized steel garden bed. It has reinforced sides here, which is nice. See, these are extra thick, so something runs into the side. They're also flat. They're not pointed, so you're not going to like run into like a jagged edge here. It all goes together with all of these screws. Assembly wasn't too bad, a little tedious because there is a lot of screws, as you can see, but once done, this should go together and last a long time with the galvanized steel, no rust. Comes with these crossbars here to give it rigidity, so it actually moves pretty well. It's not too flimsy. You can see it has like an extension panel here. Everything worked well on it. My advice is to put these all together loosely with all the screws, then go through with your drill and socket and just zip them all together quick. That's what I did, saved a lot of time because it's easier with two people, but you can do it with one. The only thing is when you're assembling these long galvanized panels, they're kind of flimsy and want to flop over until you get the rigidity going of all of them connected. So that's the only thing that makes it a little difficult. So if you have someone to hold the panel up or like a way to clamp it in place or something, it makes it even easier. They do come with a screw and screwdriver and wrench, but a lot easier to use. Uh, you know, a drill and everything overall. Great addition. Gonna add some protections for your garden beds. We're gonna put this out in our garden this coming as it becomes gardening season here. But yeah, I wanted to give you a look at it, and we'll do an update when everything is planted and looking good.